Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy Jerry. We got XG. Now I know the music video comes out like in 4 hours as I'm recording this. Woke up music video, you know I'm gonna be down to be reacting to this. So if you do see this and the music video's out, best believe there's a reaction out as well. Be sure to go stream this. Woke up. I love XG. XG, it's been a while since I liked the girl group like this. My god, I just came okay, don't judge me because of the hat. Peep the hat. I just came back from Disneyland celebrating a friend's birthday. I even got Baymax, you already know. I must say I am jealous of the food and the rides at Tokyo Disney, and if there's any opportunity where I'm able to take or XG to take me out to Tokyo Disney and have a good time, that could be a content idea. That would be fire. That would be fire. Anyways, I'm wearing my like fuzzy Sully hat. I don't know if you guys can see it. This looks like 2013 K-pop, real talk. Anyways, without further ado, we're here to check out some XG. Yeah, be sure to check out my Patreon if you haven't already. Go subscribe over there, go follow it. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently we're watching Going 17, so be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Like my videos, be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Stream XG. And without further ado, let's get it, let's go, let's begin. How do I go back again? Oh damn. Okay. Oh, my butt clapping already. Hey, hey.
Yeah, I've been here waiting, looking at him, trying to catch up, take it how you wanna take it. Left to take another planet, left to make another statement. XG, baby, say the names right, spell it out so you can learn it.
Damn. Whew, god damn, the beat just controlled my body. I contorted my god. Off the bat, the claps got my booty clapping. First of all, pause.
Okay.
Now off the bat, the bass just took over my freaking chest. I started like, All right, let's go back. Let's go back. They came in hard.
Catch up, take it how... Yeah, I've been here waiting, looking at him, trying to catch up, take it how you wanna take it. Left to take another planet, left to make another statement. Baby, say the names right, spell it out so you can learn it. Cause never toss when it's turning, cause never fire when it's burning. Can tell we all made it work for us, made it, but we had to work for it. Work, so perfect that it hurt, don't it? Surf on them, right away, right away, cause we had the right away. Bye, flying past it, we fly away in the outer space. Top in a coupe outside when I hop up out of this plane.
Oh shit!
Just walked out of my bed, fix my hair and fix my makeup on the way. Bound to the next stop, bound for the grain, make 'em bow down to the X. A little more than ordinary, honorary, underestimated, leaving all you broke. I don't wanna hear it, I'm the one that fearing.
Get it.
I'm the motivator, told my haters, y'all more the merrier. Y'all my entertainment, fascinated, I'm just laughing cause it's hilarious. Little girl with a big mouth, smoke with a big house.
Tokyo.
Big watch on her wrist now.
Tokyo-ish.
Just now, but a little more down for the bus down. Went on tour when I bust into the bus down. Everything custom now. Friends rushing out, security had to push me out. Balls of power, let her go with a big motor on a kid though. Watch me rip though, watch me snap like Motorola flip phone. I don't wanna hit you this hard on an intro, bring that bounce like 6-4. Find me in Tokyo, rapping in a skirt. I catch my drift though. Woke up looking like this, so don't get under my skin.
Hey.
Woke up looking like this.
Hey. Hey, woke up looking like this. Hey.
So don't get under my skin.
No more.
Woke up looking like this. Yeah. Life flex go easy. Tag it up, graffiti.
Actually, a different level, bro.
Rip the show and that's all I know. I'm supervision. Y'all just built on superstations. Watch me do everything, everywhere, all at once, all the time, all around the world.
Oh.
Like
hey.
Don't get under my skin.
Nope.
XGALX, and that's the name of the shit.
Hey.
Damn mother wolf. So don't make fun of my kids.
Woo.
We all family stand tall now. So don't talk to
XG with it.
Welcome to the party, floating like it's Mardi Gras.
Hey, get them beads out.
Barbie doll, yeah. Party high, laughing at them when we blast away. Black on black outfits all packed away.
Ooh.
To the LC, oh that's me, Lord have mercy.
Ooh.
Green better act like an
better listen.
But I'm built like an OG.
Ooh.
Gotta live, wait for the bags. Looking real fit for the
And she
bags.
shaved her head too and everything.
So it's just
Look good though.
Woke up looking like this.
Woo.
So don't get under my skin.
Hey.
Woke up looking like this.
Hey. Woke up looking like this. Hey.
So don't get under my skin.
Hey.
Woke up looking like this.
Hey. That beat right there. That little. Woo. Okay, who be working on these beats like this? God damn, XG, you don't got to meet. I can't even got time to breathe and shit. I'm not gonna survive the music video. Hell nah. Hell no. I'm not. You know what? I'm not gonna even listen to it again. I'm gonna listen to it the second time on the music video. Next time you're gonna see me listen to this second time. That was the first run. That was the first listen. God damn. Second time I'm gonna listen to this is when the music video's out, and then I'm gonna put the visuals together, and it's just gonna blow me away for real. XG. Everything I do a A1 flawless. Killing that each time. Alright, XG. Put a comments down below what you guys think of XG's Woke Up. Cause damn, got me woke up. I need a North America dates, bro. I need to go to a show. Damn right. Alright, y'all. Sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Go stream Woke Up, Spotify, whatever your preference is. YouTube, Apple Music, I don't know, whatever. Go support, and I'll catch you on the reaction. Yes, I'm back. Also, I'm back from Korea, bro. I've been busy. I know, like, where's this reaction? Where's that reaction? Where's this? You know what? I'll catch up. Letting you know. I know there's a lot that just came out. I gotta put out the video for the girls XG. You already know. Alright, y'all. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.